हेलो दोस्तों, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक एलिप्स। लेट अस सी व्हाट डू मीन बाय एन एलिप्स। एन एलिप्स हैज़ अ सेंटर पॉइंट PC having coordinates xc, yc and zc as the center, while A and B as semi-major axis and semi-minor axis respectively. Let us see the parametric equation of ellipse. The parametric equation for ellipse can be written as x is equal to xc plus a cos u, y is equal to yc plus b sin u, and z is equal to zc, where value of u varies from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, see, this is the equation, this is the figure of an ellipse having center at point C and A B as a semi minor axis and semi major axis. Okay, let us see the recursive method. The recursive equation for ellipse can be written as x n plus 1 is equal to xc plus xn minus xc cos del u minus a by b yn minus yc sin del u. This is the parametric equation for x coordinate by recursive method. Similarly, let us see the parametric equation for y coordinate by recursive method. Yn plus 1 is equal to yc plus yn minus yc cos del u plus a by b xn minus xc sin del u. In a similar fashion, let us see the parametric equation for z coordinate. Zn plus 1 is equal to zc. Okay, so these are the equations of an ellipse by recursive method. Okay, now let us see the equation of an ellipse by inclined the parametric equation for an inclined ellipse. So see, this is the inclined ellipse which is having an inclination with the x-axis, inclined at an angle of alpha. Okay, having center PC having coordinates xc, yc and zc, and A and B as a semi minor axis and semi major axis. Okay, let us see the parametric equation for inclined ellipse. The parametric equation for x coordinate for inclined ellipse is x is equal to xc plus a cos u into cos alpha minus b sin u sin alpha. Similarly, parametric equation for y coordinate for inclined ellipse is given by y is equal to yc plus a cos u sin alpha plus b sin u cos alpha, and z is equal to zc, where the value of u varies from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, understanding? Yeah. Now let us see an example of ellipse. How to solve a numerical of an ellipse. Let us see. An ellipse has a major axis of 10 units and minor axis of 6 units. If the center of the ellipse is having the coordinates at 8, 5, 3, write the parametric equation of the ellipse. Okay, here you are provided with major axis and minor axis, and also it is given the center of the ellipse. What you have to find? You have to find the parametric equation of the ellipse.
ये रिकॉर्डर है.
Okay, so let us note down the given things. Here it is given that the major axis of the ellipse is 10 units, so we will find out the center point. Okay, so let us divide 10 by 2, which is equal to 5, and let us divide the minor axis by 2, so 6 by 2 is 3 units. So the center point, half portion is 5 units and half portion is 3 units. Okay, half distance of major axis is 5 units, half distance of minor axis is 3 units. Okay, center of the ellipse is 8, 5, 3. Yeah, see, this is the figure which is having a center PC at the center, having coordinates xc, yc, zc, and point A and point B is shown. Point A is semi minor axis, and point B is semi minor axis, point A is semi major axis. Okay, having 5 units as semi major axis and 3 units as semi minor axis. Now let us find the coordinates of any point of an ellipse. So the coordinates of any point of an ellipse is given by x coordinate is given by xn is equal to xc plus a cos u. Y coordinate is given by yn is equal to yc plus b sin u, and zn is equal to zc. So at u is equal to 0, xn will be xn is equal to 8 plus 5 cos 0, because u is 0, xc is 8, and capital A, that is semi major axis, is 5 units, so which is, it is equal to 13. So at u is equal to 0, yn is equal to 5 plus 3 sin 0. Here u is 0, yc is 5 units, and b is 3 units, so it will become 5, and zn is equal to zc, which is equal to 3. So let us find the parametric equation of the ellipse. The parametric equation of ellipse is given by these two equations visible on your screen. Xn plus 1 is equal to, and yn plus 1 is equal to. We will substitute all the values in this equation and we will find out the coordinates. Okay, so see, we have substituted the values of a, b, xc, yc, and we have find out the value of xn plus 1 and yn plus 1. See here, xn plus 1 is equal to this equation, yn plus, this equation means 8 plus xn minus 8 cos del u minus 5 by 3 yn minus 5 sin del u. This is the parametric equation for x coordinate for an ellipse. Yn plus 1 is equal to 5 plus yn minus 5 cos del u plus 5 by 3 xn minus 8 sin del u. This is the parametric equation for y coordinate, and zn plus 1 is equal to 3. This is the parametric equation for z coordinate. Okay, understanding? Yeah, okay.